My name is Asim Mohammed. I have 7 years of experience as UI UX designer and web developer. In this course, I'll give you my experience with how to design a website from scratch, from header to footer by using Photoshop. What you will learn in this course? In this course, first you will take introduction about UI UX designer, basics of Photoshop, and you will learn photo manipulation and how to design website from scratch and how to design a home page, about us page, service page, a news page, contact us page for construction company. Big features in this course. This course will be always updated. You will learn how to design trending websites. Why do you trust me? I finished 100 of websites for companies and freelancing people. On Fiverr, I get 5 rate star. On this course, I give you my experience to success on field. You find this course on link below video.